If you want to know how I created this custom DIY newspaper, keep watching.
Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you how I created my custom DIY wedding newspaper. This is a really unique way to not only inform your guests about your big day, but it also tells your love story in a fun, personalized way. So let's jump right into it. Now, before you start snapping photos, I highly recommend creating a mood board. Go on Pinterest and search around there until you can find what type of theme you want your photo shoot to be. For example, for our personalized wedding photos, we used a car theme featuring an old school vibe. We used this really unique Cadillac. It was very cute. We curated our mood board with images of vintage cars, elegant poses, urban backdrops to nail our vision. We knew we wanted to do something downtown. Making a mood board really helped with that. There are two ways that you can gather amazing content. Number one, you can do DIY photography. If you're looking to save some money, then set up a tripod and use a good quality camera or even the back of the camera on your iPhone to capture some shots. Invest in a Bluetooth clicker. This is a handy tool that helps you snapshot photos remotely while you pose, ensuring that you get the perfect shot without needing someone else behind the lens. The next option is hiring a photographer. If you want a budget-friendly option and you'd rather a professional touch, then consider hiring a photographer through Airbnb experiences. They often offer more affordable rates compared to seasoned wedding photographers, especially during peak wedding seasons. It seems like every time you mention anything about wedding, the price just triples. So just go on Airbnb experiences and find you a photographer. Renting a car cost us $500 an hour, so having a well-planned mood board was crucial. We only had 1 hour to capture everything we wanted. I'm going to link everything in the description below. Also note that you will need to get permission from the parking garage valet company in order for them to come unlock the top floor of the rooftop. Due to safety hazards, they keep it locked, so you will have to communicate with the valet company if you choose to use the parking garage that we used. We told them that we were doing a shoot for our wedding and they had no problem letting us use the rooftop. So just communicate with them. Because I did a mood board, I knew I wanted some roses. So these roses right here, I ended up going to get that bouquet of roses from Sam's Club for only $17. For our outfits, I used my white dress from the reception. My husband also used his reception tux. This saved us money on wardrobe. Accessories, we incorporated shades. I used a scarf from Amazon and my shoes were from Shein. It perfectly matched our look. I will also link this in the description below. For makeup, I did my own makeup. This saved me so much money because y'all know these makeup artists charge like $200 or more a face. If y'all want me to do a makeup tutorial, drop some comments in the comment section below and let me know you would like for me to do a makeup tutorial, because I can do a makeup tutorial to help you guys save money there as well. Step 2 is actually going to be creating your newspaper. Now that you have all of your stunning content, it's time to design your wedding newspaper. I have a fully customizable newspaper template that's going to be linked in the description below. My template is only $5. This helps support my channel. But if you're on a tight budget, there are plenty of free newspaper templates in Canva and on newspaper.com, which is where I printed our newspaper. But if you choose to save some time and you have an extra $5, this is what is included in my wedding newspaper. In my newspaper, it includes a wedding day timeline. It has a section for a love story that you can tell a little bit about how you met. It has customizable fun facts, such as the number of days you've been together, the number of cakes you tasted, how many dresses you tried on, etc. It also includes guest quotes if anyone wants to say anything nice for the happy couple, and awards section that has fun awards like who was the first person to RSVP, which guest traveled the furthest to get to the wedding, and a map of all the out-of-town guests. It also has extras like a wedding crossword puzzle and a spot for a QR code that is linked to your Venmo or Cash App so guests can contribute to your honeymoon fund. All of these elements are fully customizable in Canva, so you will just adjust everything to perfectly match your wedding vibe. So first thing we're going to do is going to go into Canva. I'm going to go to our newspaper. And this is the whole newspaper. If you bought my template, it's 4 pages. If you didn't buy my template, it's still going to be 4 pages. So you're going to change all of this to your desired information, change the wedding date, the wedding time, of course, the name of the bride and the groom. And just for a small, quick little tutorial, I'll show you how to change the picture. You click on it, press delete, and I'm going to choose either one of these pictures. I think this is a cute picture. No, let's go with something color. This one is cute. So you can resize it to fit more of the screen. Center it. I'd like to put this up a little more. Center it just like that. So then, wow, look how amazing that looks. You're going to open up a new tab, go to printnewspaper.com, click on print my newspaper. If you already have a newspaper that you created in Canva, you will click on my newspaper is ready. If you need to browse through some of the templates and design a newspaper, click on explore the templates. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to click on my newspaper is ready because we already have a newspaper that is ready. Now there's 2 options. There's a tabloid option, which is a smaller size newspaper, and a broadsheet option, which is the larger size newspaper. For the newspapers that we use the broadsheet size. So it tells you right here that the size is 332 by 475 mm. And as you can see right here in Canva, this size 260 by 370 is the tabloid size. So I'm going to show you how to change the size to fit the broadsheet option if you want to go with the bigger newspaper. So you're going to go into Canva, click on resize. As you can see, I already have 332 by 475 mm right here because I've used that before. But if yours doesn't look like that, you're going to go to custom size. Make sure the unit is in mm. And you're going to type in 332 by 475. Click copy and resize. Open up the 332. So now let's also go in here and change the size to 332. All you have to do is just delete this front set of parentheses so that it correlates with the correct size that you need so you don't get confused. Then you click on share, download. Always go to PDF print. This is best for printing. So always download the file in PDF print. Click download and then give it some time to download. Once it's finished downloading, you will go back to print my newspaper. Click choose the broadsheet option. You're going to make a title. I'm going to call the title of this Braxton Wedding Newspaper. Choose file, and we're going to make sure we click on the 475, the 332 by 475 option, and click on upload, and then click upload your newspaper. And it's just going to check to make sure that everything is good, all the margins are good and ready for print. Once your file is ready for print, you will see right here, congratulations, your newspaper has been successfully uploaded and meets all the criteria. It is ready for printing. You can place your order. Then you will click confirm and place your order. For our intimate wedding, we had 56 guests, but we ended up printing about 70 newspapers. This gave us a few extras to keep for ourselves and some for our extra guests who couldn't attend our destination wedding. Our total cost was $244.44. Our guests absolutely loved this unique, elegant touch. Our bridesmaid even hand delivered each copy to the guest rooms the night before the wedding. So it was like a really cute surprise that everyone loved. And that's it. Now you have a custom DIY wedding newspaper that captures your love story, wedding details, and personal style, all while adding a special touch to your big day. Even though it requires a little bit of extra investment, this is one DIY project that I truly don't regret. If this video was enjoyable and you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you'd like to see me do a makeup tutorial or any other DIY wedding projects. As always, thanks for watching and happy planning.